Good morning, children. So here we left from the kind reciprocal pronoun. I want you all to write this definition in your book where this space is given. Reciprocal, because this word reciprocal means because they express the mutual relationship, each other, one another. These are the two reciprocal pronouns. You have to remember this. Each other, one another. This is the example. These two are only reciprocal pronouns. So please write down each other. I'm going to keep it here so that you can pause the video and you can write. I'm going to speak each other and one another are called reciprocal pronoun. Each other and one another are called reciprocal pronoun because they express mutual relationship. M-U-T-U-A-L, mutual relationship. So put a star on these two because these two are reciprocal pronoun. So I hope it is clear. So coming to page 53, they have mentioned more sentences like, it's given over there, aforementioned sentences means the two men each respect the other. Mutual relationship. They should help, one should help another. So this way, mutual relationship, one another, each other. So these are reciprocal pronouns. So they have given more examples like the brothers love each other. They all gave evidence against one another. Evidence means proof. Then this is very important, the eighth one, relative pronoun. Most of the questions are being asked about relative pronoun in exams. So let's go through these. So please make a star over there. The words like who, whose, whom, that and which join two sentences. Please underline join two sentences. And refer back to the noun antecedent. I'll explain you. Please, antecedent. Why the noun here is known as antecedent? Going before them, they are called relative pronouns. So let's see these two examples. Like the examples given over there, the sentences they have given in exam. The question could be like join the sentences by using relative pronouns. Like see this sentence, I met Chandan, he stood first in the class. So when you're going to join this, you have to use the relative pronouns to join. So Chandan is a person, so I met Chandan who stood first in the class. So who here stands for this noun, the noun which is going before, the relative pronoun. So this is known as antecedent. This pronoun stands for this noun. So this noun is antecedent. I have found the bag, I lost it. I have found the bag which I lost, because this is a thing, so which we use for a thing. I have found the bag which I lost. So which stands for the bag. So that is why bag is antecedent. I know the house, he lives in the house. I know the house that he lives in. So this relative pronoun that stands for the noun which just is there before it. So this is antecedent. Again, who, which, that are relative pronouns. The noun coming before a relative pronoun is called its antecedent. So this is something that you have to keep it in mind. So please put a tick. Then they have given, the relative pronoun, forms of relative pronoun. Who, this one, who has the following forms. If who is there, the nominative case. Whom is there, objective. Whose, possessive. So the way the examples they have given, this is the boy who works hard. Smita is the girl whom all praise. He is the man whose dog is lost. So this way they have given the forms of relative pronoun. Now on page 54, we are given some more examples. The words like which and that can be used in both forms, nominative and objective. This is the house which belongs to me. This is nominative. The house which I built is very spacious. So here it is acting as objective. He that is content is rich. Take anything that you like. Objective case and nominative case. Now this is something that you have to learn. Use the following relative pronouns. Use of the relative pronouns. So let's see, who or whom is used for persons only. Whose is used to show possession. It speaks person, animals and also non-living things. Which is used for the things without life and for animals. That is used for persons and things both. So when we are going to do in the exercise, very easily you can find out this thing. Some facts about relative pronouns. Relative pronoun is